Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, we will be learning how to fix PayPal problems. There might be several problems you have to go through while operating the PayPal application on your mobile device. No matter what the issues are, here are some general troubleshooting methods that'll work in any situations. So the first thing to do is to open up your PayPal app and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left. From the profile page, click on the personal info option. Go to the emails tab and make sure that you verified your email address. If you haven't already, confirm your email and verify it using the verification code. Once you verify your email address, go ahead and open up the wallet option from the main interface located at the bottom right. Now, after you open up the wallet option, tap on Add New right next to Cards and select and link a bank account. By tapping on Banks, click on Go to the website option and select one of the bank accounts you would like to add. To do so, you will also need to verify your phone number with an SMS code. Once you receive it, type it down and this will take you to a new page from where you can link your bank account. Make sure you choose your bank and then enter your bank account information to link it on your PayPal. After you confirm your bank account as well, you might be able to fix some of your problems, but if the problem still continues, try updating your PayPal application to the latest version. Open your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for PayPal in the search box. Tap on the update button if available on the page instead of open, and once you download the latest version of PayPal, open the application and get to the main home screen again. Once you update your application, this might fix most of the problems that might go through on your PayPal app. Also, make sure to regularly update your password. Choose a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters in order to ensure the security of your PayPal account as well. So those were some of the fixes you could try out if your PayPal application is going through several problems within the application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.